Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make a creamy, yummy, delicious hummus. It's really tasty with pita bread or your carrot steak or your salad dressing. But before I proceed, please make sure to like and subscribe to my channel. So for that we need hummus, which is chickpeas, 500 gram. I'm going to take 2 cloves of garlic, cumin powder, and I'm also going to add lemon juice. Now what I'm going to use is ready-made lemon juice. You can use fresh if you like. And I'm going to add tahini in this. Tahini is basically sesame paste. Yeah, so I'm going to add my tahini, almost 3 tablespoons, and I'm going to add here some salt to taste. It's completely your call. If you don't want to add, don't add it. And I'm going to add a magic here. A magic is ice cube, just to give it a nice creamy texture. So just add that and give a nice blend. I have used chickpeas, which is not boiled in home. I have used canned chickpeas just for a quick breakfast, but if you want, you can simply soak your chickpeas and boil it. I will add here my extra virgin olive oil and give a nice mix. And look at that, this is what I'm looking for, a creamy texture. Perfect, just perfect. Now I'm going to add here some extra virgin olive oil on the top, some red chili powder because we like a little bit of spice, and some cumin powder as well. This is just perfect, the way we like it. You can have it with your carrot steak, with your cucumber steak, with your pita bread. It can be a dip, it can be used as a salad dressing, or it can be simply as a salad with anything. A quick, yummy, delicious hummus. I hope you like my recipe. Please do like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.